Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Rainmeter. We'll cover everything from the initial installation to advanced customization, helping you create a truly unique desktop. Mind is a fantastic skin that brings a sleek, modern look with its clock, date, weather, and music player widgets. Rainmeter, the underlying platform, is a powerful, free tool that lets you personalize your desktop with user-created skins. Let's get started on transforming your workspace. To begin, you'll need to download and install Rainmeter itself. Head to the official Rainmeter website and grab the latest stable version, usually a 64-bit installer. Once Rainmeter is installed, find the MinSkin file, often a RM skin package, from a reputable skin repository. Simply double-click this file to initiate the MinSkin installation. Follow the prompts, ensuring all components are selected, and then confirm to load the default widgets onto your desktop. Now for the fun part, customization. You can access Min settings to tweak various elements, such as switching between a 12-hour or 24-hour clock, or updating your weather code for accurate forecasts. Feel free to drag and drop the individual widgets, like the clock or music player, to any position on your desktop. For deeper changes, you can edit the skins. Ini files to modify text colors or button appearances. Consider hiding your desktop icons for a truly clean, minimalist aesthetic. Here are some helpful tips for managing your Min setup. If you find certain widgets unnecessary, simply right-click them and select Unload Skin from the Rainmeter Manager. For precise control, right-click any widget to adjust its position, making it non-draggable or setting it to On Desktop. Always ensure Rainmeter is running its 64-bit version for the best performance. Finally, it's a good practice to create a system restore point before making significant changes to your desktop, just in case.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.